Just done. New delivery. New toy. What have we got? A Gooloo. Do you know what this one is? Not sure if everybody's aware of these. Very handy piece of kit. Jump starter for the car. Exactly what I need. This brand's called a Gooloo and GP4000 for jump starting your car when the battery's dead. Saves using the old Makita battery. Still works, mind you, using the Makita battery, but getting leads hooked up and hitting them onto the battery, bit of a faffing about to get it to work. We unbox in here. See what we get out. Ooh, la fancy. This is needed for anybody with thick and wains. So I know every time I wash my car and let the boys mess around in it whilst I'm washing the car, they always leave some sort of light on or something switched on and kills the damn battery. What have we got? Charger, connector, clamps. These are quite good clamps too. And obviously good heavy lead. Fully charged before use. Fair enough. Quite a big thing actually. Didn't think it was going to be that size. Jumper cable. Different shapes so we can't mix them up. Sweet. Ready to go. That's going to be a lifesaver addition to the car. Cigarette charger as well. Why not need that one? Sweet. That's the new toy. A Gooloo GP4000 jump starter. So what have we got? That's the jumpers. Got 15 volts out. You have Type C in and out for charging. Standard USB. Quick charger USB. And a light. Obviously. For your car. So everything you need. So you can charge your phone. And everything off this thing. Anything that takes a USB. Plug that on, charge away. Or use away. So that's a handy piece of kit for the car. Or a van or whatever. Because let's face it, we've all had a dead battery. Have it there handy in case anybody needs a jump as well. Yeah, so she'll actually not let you go if you've got the polarity wrong too. If you hook these up wrong, it'll have a green light to tell you if it's correct or incorrect. If you've hooked them up to the battery wrong. That's handy. And a boost as well. So you're going to hook that up, plug this in, hook it up to your battery, tell you if you're correct, green or red, if you're ready to go. If it just needs a wee bit of power, you can start it right there and then. If it's completely flat, you'll hit the boost, and go on and start your car. That'll give full battery power to get your car started. Plus if you have a faulty battery, if you're getting nothing out of it, this is 12 volts as well, so there were plenty of amps. That'll actually start the car off with no battery at all, basically. So yeah, take us in, get it fully charged up, get it under the car. Some other evening, I'll do a wee test on this here. I'll go in my car, have to use it before then. There's our car booster pack. A Gooloo Titan series. Handy buy.